Today we'll be making corn fritters. Here are the ingredients you will need. Half a cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 cup of flour sifted, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of butter melted, 1 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 12-ounce can of corn. Now add 3 cups of oil into a large frying pan and heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now in a bowl, add your baking powder, your salt, and your sugar. Now mix it up. This is what it should look like. Now in a separate bowl, add your egg, your melted butter, and your milk. This is what it should look like. Now add your flour mixture into your egg and milk mixture. Now add your canned corn. This is what it should look all mixed together. Now take 1/8 of a cup and pour it into the oil. This is what it should look like when frying. Once cooked, place the fritters onto a paper towel on a plate. This is what the corn fritters should come out to look like. I had the corn fritters with some chili that I had for dinner. Here is the recipe that I used. I hope you enjoy and try this recipe.